considering an important subject matter in physics, and it is tagged Introduction to Physics. Physics is a scientific study of matter in relation to energy in respect of time. Examples of fundamental quantities are being illustrated thus. Fundamental quantities and their units. As you can actually see, length has a unit meter, which has a unit abbreviation m. Time has a unit second, which is actually being abbreviated s. Mass has a unit kilogram, which is abbreviated kg. Electric current, which is measured in ampere, is abbreviated A. Temperature, which is measured in Kelvin, is being abbreviated K. And amount of a substance, measured in mole, which is MOL. And lastly, luminous intensity, measured in candela. A particular acronym can actually be used with respect to it, and that is L2 MEET. That is L2 MEAT2. L for length, the other L for luminous intensity, M for mass, E for electric current, A for amount of a substance, T for time, and the last T for temperature. To this regard, we shall be considering dimensions of physical quantity. Dimension is a accessible symbol for each unit. The dimension of a physical quantity is the way it is related to quantity of mass, length, and time. The dimensional unit of mass is m, that of length is L, and that of time is T. Mass, that is kilogram, m. Length in meter, L. T, denoting time, which is actually what's measured in seconds. Let's take for instance, density is the mass per unit volume. That is dimension of mass over dimension of what? Volume. So that definitely gives you what? Kg over m cube, which is also being translated into m over L cube, and simply in its index form can be written as ml raised to the power minus 3. Velocity, which is the rate of change of displacement with time, has its dimension to be dimension of displacement, which is also length, over dimension of time. You might want to attempt some questions in this regard. For example, which of the following is the dimension of pressure? For us to actually exemplify this, we might want to look at pressure. That is, pressure is actually what? Force per unit area. Force, which is actually what? Kg meters per second squared over what? Meter squared. This meter cancels this meter squared, so you're going to have kg over s squared over m. So you can represent it as mt raised to the power minus 2 L raised to the power what? Minus 1. You can actually try a good number of questions which are in the quiz section. Just try to get your hands dirty